What's good, everybody? It's your boy Rob, back with a quick video. I'm here to do a quick 1 week after the ESR screen protector install that I did. I done had this on for about a week. And real quick, I'm not going to mince words. This screen protector has a hard time working with a lot of cases. I had a minimal speed-gen case on this, and as you can tell right here, look at the lip protection on this case. It doesn't look like it will fold over on the display real badly, but in this little corner right here, I did get a little lifting of the actual screen protector in this corner. And as you can tell, you can see the very outline of the screen protector right there, how close it is to the top of the actual phone itself. And in a lot of ways, ESR on the box said this is a case-friendly screen protector. But as you can see right there, you don't have that much room. So it will limit your choices to certain types of cases. Now, you got people out there who like to use UAG cases, OtterBox cases. You have a lot of heavy-duty cases. Even some of the other case companies out there like Tudia, they have cases where the case overlaps closely to the screen itself. But seeing that this screen protector is right there on the edge, you're going to get a lot of push and peel, and then the screen protector will begin to peel. So, to make a long story short, I may have to give this particular screen protector a thumbs down due to the fact that it will limit your choice of cases. You will probably have to get those cases where it's just those plastic minimal cases that offer no protection to work with this screen protector, or you're going to need cases with barely any kind of lip that will roll over onto the display. But the screen protector is kind of to the point where you don't have a lot of room for error. And I was expecting this screen protector to be case friendly, but it's turning out that, due to the fact that I may have been off a couple of millimeters in my installation, that is causing me a lot of issue. So I don't know how you guys feel about that, and how are you guys when it comes to installing screen protectors. But for me, it didn't kind of work out like I wanted it to. So I don't know, it could be user error. So it may not be the screen protector itself. It could be just I didn't do a good job. Also, with this screen protector, the fingerprint sensor has been actually haven't lost any responsiveness with this. So that's one of the positives about this screen protector. But if you're still interested in this case, check my installation video. I will leave it up in the description, what have you. And if you're interested in it, hit that link there and get one. But for the most part, for me, I'm going to have to say no on this ESR. I'm going to be trying out another screen protector, so be on the lookout for that video. And again, I'll probably give you 1 week later with that one. So that pretty much does it for this video. I appreciate you guys out there. If you haven't subscribed, please do. I appreciate it. And other than that, catch you in the next video. I'm out.